Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Reference this this air filter kit that's supposed to fit. Now, the spaces you get on a bike like this, fair enough, because they will work. But this is an Evo. Now, they're also saying this fits sportsters and twin cams. Now, you get these spacers here, which you're supposed to use to pack out the filter. But this is what you get. Now, they're saying use a breather kit. The necessary breather kit. Well, as far as I know, there is no breather kit this big that's got breathers on to go in between these bolts. You know, normally these would step back at like a lot more than that, which means they'd be a lot closer, and you would also get breather bolts with it. But I cannot see any way that they can say that this will fit an Evo and also a twin cam. It'll only fit a pre-90 whatever it is, like you say, but it certainly won't fit anything later without spending an horrendous amount of money, which means you may as well buy the correct filter in the first place. Whereas this says fits 17 to 21 Sportsters and all sorts, but in all honesty, there's no way this will fit. The Sportster's a different gap anyway. Thank you.